Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. By default, when a user enters a password in WPForms, it's hidden behind asterisks for security. But what if they want to double check their input? That's where the password visibility toggle comes in. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a password visibility toggle in WPForms, no coding required. Let's get started. Install and activate PowerUps for WPForms. Go to WPForms Ultimate Add-ons in your WordPress dashboard. Select the form where you want to enable the password visibility toggle. Navigate to PowerUps panel and then click on the Settings button for Add Password Visibility Toggle for WPForms. Check the Enable option. Choose the password fields where you want the toggle. Click on Save Settings. That's it. Now all the selected password fields, including the Confirm Password field, will have a small eye icon. Users can click on it to reveal their password. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips. Have questions? Drop in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.